Hello again and welcome back to my channel. We're going to start off with some well-conditioned balls of metallic clay. Some of these metallics are mixed with other colours, for example, the gunmetal grey is silver mixed with black. We're also going to use 2 shades of brown which will marble together. First of all, I must say that these aren't my original idea. I came across them some time ago on Pinterest, although I'm not sure who to credit the original idea to. I'm working on a glass cutting mat and baking parchment. Marble together the 2 shades of brown polymer clay and shape it into a flat teardrop. You may need to trim off excess clay. Don't overwork the clay or you'll lose the marble effect. Next I'm going to run some gold through my pasta machine on a medium thickness. And I like to use a cookie cutter and a flexible tissue blade to get the basic shapes that I need. First the top fin, then the bottom fin. And then the tail. I always have a problem with the tail for some reason. I'm just using a silicone colour blender to firmly attach the fins and tail to the body. Next I'm rolling out a thin sausage of clay and making marks in the pieces so they look like the hinges that attach the fins to the body. I'm using another rolled out piece of gold clay to create the head section. And smoothing that into place with my fingers and a colour blender. Before trimming off the excess with a craft knife. I also use a craft knife to cut a slit to represent the mouth. Next make some balls from black clay. Create an eye from a small ball of dark gold and a ball of black. The other black balls are flattened to make grommets. These go on the tail and the fins. I use a small ball tool to make indentations in the centre of the grommets. Next, I'm using some thick copper craft wire and bending it to create some pipes. This takes a bit of trial and error before I get the correct shape, and once I'm happy, I push the ends into the grommets. Using some lighter gold, run through the pasta machine and make some straps to hold the pipes in place. It's very warm in here at the moment and some of the pieces are proving to be fiddly. These are textured by rolling a finger grip of a craft knife over them. I'm using the ball tool to tidy up the edges and to create some rivet holes. All that's left to do now is to bake according to the manufacturer's instructions. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of when I upload the next parts. Thanks for watching.